Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today we discuss about sequence and series, previous year Jeemains questions. Okay, now I would like to explain first question. This is 2021 question. The sum of the first four terms of GP 65 by 12 as well as the sum of their respective reciprocals 65 by 18 given if the product of first three terms of GP is 1, then find out 2 alpha where alpha is third term. Okay, now here T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 is equal how much value given 65 by 12. So T1 is first term A, so second term AR, third term AR square, fourth term is AR cube. Okay, now here one more condition is given, the sum of respective reciprocals. So 1 by T1, 1 by T2, 1 by T3, 1 by T4. So sum of 1 by T1, 1 by T2, 1 by T3, 1 by T4 value 65 by 18 given. So 1 by A, 1 by AR, 1 by AR square, 1 by AR cube. Here first we have to find A comma R values. How can find this A comma R values here? So 65 by 18 is equal to, here you will take 1 by A common. 1 by A common, what we get here? 1 by A into what is LCM? R cube. After taking R cube, here R cube plus R square plus R plus 1. Okay, let us take this is second equation. Now divide equation 1 and equation 2. We get, so what is the first equation? A times of 1 plus R square plus R cube divided by 1 by A times of here 1 plus R square plus R cube by R cube is equal to 65 by 12 divided by 65 by 18. Here 65 get cancelled. So this is nothing but 18 by 12. So 6 2 is 6 3 get cancelled. As well as here 1 plus R square plus R cube get cancelled. So 1 by A times of R cube. This is nothing but A square into R cube is equal to 3 by 2. So from this equation R cube value how much? 3 by 2A square. Okay. In statement one more condition is given. The product of three terms of GP is 1. So T1, T2, T3 is equal to 1. So what is T1 here? First term A. T2 is AR. T3 is AR square is equal to 1. So A into A we get A square. R into R, A into A cube. R into R square is R cube. So A cube R cube is equal to 1. But here recently we have got it R cube value 3 by 2A square. So here R place and right 3 by R cube place and right 3 by 2A square is equal to 1. So 1 A square get cancelled. A is equal to B get 2 by 3. So we have got it A value. So A value 2 by 3. From this equation R cube is equal to 3 by 2 times of A square. So A square value how much? 2 by 3 whole square. So after simplification it will going to be, this is 27, the 2 by 3 whole square, this is 4 by 9. So after simplification 27 by 8. R cube is equal to 27 by 8. R is equal to, now cube root on both sides, R is equal to 3 by 2. So R is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 2 by 3. So what is required here? 2 alpha. But alpha is third term. So T3 is equal to AR square. So T3 is nothing but alpha. So A value we have got 2 by 3. R value 3 by 2. R square is 3 by 2 times of 3 by 2. 1 2 1 3 get cancelled. T3 is equal to, T3 means nothing but alpha. Alpha is equal to 3 by 2. After cross product what we get here? 2 alpha is equal to 3. Okay, now I am going to explain next question. So in the statement, what is given? A1, A2, A3 and so on A10 are in AP, common difference minus 3, B1, B2, B3 and so on B10, BA, GP, common ratio is 2. Here one condition is given, CK is equal to AK plus BK. So CK indicate kth term of third sequence, AK is kth term of first sequence, BK is kth term of second sequence. as well as C2 is equal to 12, C3 is equal to 13. Then find out summation K is equal to 1 to 10 Ck. So what is given condition? Ck is equal to Ak plus 1. First we have to find the first and second sequences. Okay, Ck. What is the here from statement C2 is equal to 12 given. In the place of K, write 2. C2 is equal to 12 is equal to A2 plus B2. Let us take equation number 1. Now, in the place of K, we should write 3. What we get here? C3. C3 were already given. 13 is equal to A3 plus B3. Okay. Now, let us take difference here. 2 minus 1. Why? Because A3 minus A2. So, in first sequence, common difference, how much value given? Minus 3. So, first sequence, A3 minus A2 is equal to 2. Common difference here, minus 3 given. Okay. In second sequence, common ratio. What is second sequence? B3 by B2 is equal to 2. B3 we get 2B2. So, now, let us take 2 minus second equation minus first equation. 13 minus 12, 1. A3 minus A2 plus B3 minus B2. So 1 is equal to A3 minus A2 from statement, this value given minus 3, common difference. B3 minus B2. B3 value here 2B2. 2B2 minus B2. So a minus 3 sending left side, 4 is equal to B2. So B2 value we have got it 4. So B2 is equal to 4. From this equation B3 is equal to how much? 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Okay, from equation number 1. So A2 plus B2 is equal to 12. So A2 plus B2, B2 value here already we have got it 4. A2 plus 4 is equal to 12. A2 is equal to, we get 8. So what is the common difference here? D is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 3. A3 minus A2 value we have got it 8. So A3 we have got plus 5. So what is the first sequence? A1, A2, A3 and so on, A10. So A2 value 8 here. A3 value we have got 5. So 8 to 5. What is the common difference here? Minus 3. So one minus 3 common difference number is, before number is 11. 11, 8, 5 and so on are in AP. So what is the second sequence here? B1, B2, B3 and so on, B10. So B1 value 4. Here we have got it recently. So B3 value 2B2. So 2B2 means 2 into 4, 8. So B3 value 8. So 4, 8. What is the common ratio? 2. Before number is 2. Why? Because in GP common ratios are equal. So what is required here? Ck is required. So Ck sigma K is equal to 1 to 10 Ck value. So sigma K is equal to 1 to 10. Ck value how much here from statement given? Ak plus Bk. Summation Kk plus summation K is equal to 1 to 10 Bk. Now explain this one. So what is required here? Summation K is equal to 1 to 10 Ak plus summation K is equal to 1 to 10 Bk. So first sequence, sum of first sequence A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to A10. In sum of second sequence is B1 plus B2 plus B3 up to B10. So what is the first sequence here? 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus and so on 10 terms. In second sequence is GP. 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus and so on 10 terms. First sequence is AP. Sum of AP we have formula n by 2 times of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What is n here? 10 by 2. 2 times of A value 11. What is the common difference here? Minus 3. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. 2 into 11 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 3. Plus in second sequence here, what is the first term? A is equal to 2. Common ratio is also 2. So we have formula Sn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1 if A R greater than 1. So A value how much here? 2. 2 to the power 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So how much this is? 5 into 2, 5 they get cancelled. 5 into 22 minus 27 plus 2 times of 2 power 10. 1024 minus 1, 1023. So after simplification we get answer 2021. Okay, now I am going to explain next question. In the statement, AM, GM of Eth and Qth terms of sequence minus 16, 8, minus 4, 2 satisfying the equation 4x squared minus 9x plus 5 is equal 0, then P plus Q value. Okay, what is given here? 4x squared minus 9x plus 5 is equal 0. Roots are arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So 4x squared minus 9x plus 5 is equal 0. First find out roots. X value we get 1 and 5 by 4. Okay, we have arithmetic mean is always should be greater than or equal to geometric mean. So what is the here big value? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is arithmetic mean. Geometric mean is 1. But in statement, what is given? One sequence AP sequence, GP sequence is given. Minus 16, 8, minus 4, 2 are in GP. What is the common ratio here? Second term by first term, we get minus 1 by 2, that is common ratio. In the statement, AM, GM of the term P and the term Q terms. So the term of P, TP is equal to what is the nth term form? Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. So TP is equal to minus 16. Why? Because first term is minus 16 is A. A into R to the power n minus 1. Minus 16 into minus 1 by 2. R value minus 1 by 2. Power P minus 1. So Qth term is minus 16 into minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 power Q minus 1. Okay, right. In the statement, geometric mean value, how much value we have got? 1. The geometric mean of Pth and Qth terms are root under 2 Tp into Tq. What is the geometric mean of A comma B? Root AB formula. So root under Tp into Tq is equal to 1, and squaring on both sides Tp into Tq, we get 1. Okay, what is the Pth term here? Minus 16 into minus 1 by 2 power P minus 1 written here. Next Qth term here written. Main our target is P plus Q is equal to 1. So minus 16 into minus 16, 256. Here minus 1 by 2 power P minus 1, minus 1 by 2 power Q minus 1, bases equal, powers are added. Minus 1 by 2 power P plus Q minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, now 256, I can write 2 power 8. Here 1 power P plus Q minus 2 by, here you will take minus 1 by minus 2, right? 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 1 to the power P plus Q minus 2 is equal, let us do cross product, minus 2 times minus 2 power P plus Q minus 2. Here 1 power anything is 1. 2 power 8, I have written here minus 2 power 8. Both are same. Why? Because right side minus 2 power P plus Q minus 2 there. If base is equal, powers are equal. 8 is equal to P plus Q minus 2. P plus Q we get 10. What is the answer? 10. Okay, now I am going to explain next question. This is 2022 question. Consider two GPs, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, and so on. How many terms? 60 terms. 4, 4 square, 4 cube, n terms respectively. If geometric mean of 60 plus n terms is 2 to the power 225 by 8, then find out the summation k is equal to 1 to n, k into n minus k. How can we solve this problem? In the statement, first we have to find n value. Okay. So geometric mean of both series. The first series 2, 2 square, 2 cube up to 2 power 60 into 4 into 4 square into 4 cube into up to 4 to the power n. First sequence, how many terms given? 60. And second sequence, how many terms are given? N terms. So, whole to the power 1 by 60 plus n. Okay, geometric mean of gm of a comma b. Gm of a comma b formula is gm of a comma b. ab to the power 1 by 2. Okay, here two sequences are there. First sequence, how many terms are there? 60 terms are there. 2, 2 square, 2 cube up to 2 power 60. In second sequence, how many terms are there? N terms are there. 4, 4 square, 4 cube up to 4 to the power n. Whole to the power 1 by 60 plus n. Total number of terms 60 plus n. Now here bases equal, powers are added. 2 to the power 2 to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 60. Here also bases equal, powers are added. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. Whole to the power 1 by 60 plus n. Right side will write as it is. Here sum of natural numbers we have formula n into n plus 1 by 2. N value how much here? 60. 60 into 60 plus 1 by 2. Here same sum of natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 by 2 whole to the power 1 by 60 plus n is equal right side value. Okay, now we get here 2 1 j 2 30 j cancel. 2 to the power 30 into 61. 2 to the power 30 into 61. 2 to the power here 4 relation I can write 2 square. So 2 square power n into n plus 1 by 2 and 2 get cancelled. Whole to the power 1 by 60 plus n is equal right side value. Right as it is. Okay, write 2 to the power 30 into 61 plus if bases equal here, powers are added. 30 into 61 plus n into n plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 60 plus n. Okay, here we should use a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn formula. So here this is m, this is n. So what is the formula? 2 to the power, this value 1830 plus n into n plus 1, m into n. A to the power m, all to the power n is a to the power mn. 1830 plus n into n plus 1 by 60 plus n is equal right side value. If base is equal, powers are equal. Okay. Okay, let us do simplification. After cross product, it will going to be 8n square plus 8n plus 1830 into 8, 14640. So 225 into all, 225 into 60, 13,500 plus 225n. So after simplification, we get n value 20, n value 57 by 8. So 57 by 8 is not possible, n is integer. So summation k is equal to 1 to n, k into n minus k, this is required. But n place we should write 20 here. So k is equal to 1 to 20, k into 20 minus k. Okay, now k multiplied to all, what we get here? 20 times of summation k is equal to 1 to 20 k minus summation k is equal to 1 to 20 k into k, we get k square. Sum of natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 by 2, but n value how much here? 20. Here sum of squares of natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here 20 n into n plus 1 by 2. This is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is sum of squares of natural numbers. So, but n value here how much? 20. 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2, it will going to be 4,200 in this total value. Here, in the place of n, write 20. 20 into 21. Here 2 into 20 plus 1 is 41 by 6. This total value is 2870. Answer will be 1330. Okay, now I am going to explain next question. If A1, A2, A3 and so on An are in harmonic progression, then the expression A1, A2 plus A2, A3 plus and so on An minus 1 An is equal to. Okay, in the statement A1, A2, A3 and An are harmonic progression. So 1 by harmonic progression is nothing but arithmetic progression. The reciprocals are in arithmetic progression. 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 and so on 1 by An are in arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, common difference equal. So 1 by A2 minus 1 by A1 is equal to. So 1 by A3 minus 1 by A2 is equal to, like that. 1 by An minus 1 by An minus 1 is equal to T. Okay, now what is LCM first here? A2 A1 LCM. So A1 minus A2 is equal to T times of A1 A2. Similarly, remaining here LCM is A2 A3. After taking LCM, what we get here? A2 minus A3. A2 minus A3 is equal to D times of A2 A3. So remaining all are right. After that, adding all equations, here A2 A2, here A3 A3, here A4 A4, like that An minus 1 also cancelled. What we get here? First term A1, last term minus An is equal D times of here right side one D take out common here. D times of A1 A2 plus A2 A3 plus A3 A4 and so on An minus 1. What is required here? This part is required. A1 A2 plus A2 A3 plus and so on An minus 1 An. So right side part is required. This descending left side. Okay. So this part is required. This part is required. Now here nth term in harmonic progression 1 by An is equal to 1 by A1 plus n minus 1 into D. In harmonic progression first term is 1 by A1. So 1 by A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So after simplification, we get 1 by A, here 1 by A1 setting left side, 1 by An minus 1 by A1 is equal to n minus 1 into D. So after what is LCM here? A1 An. So A1 minus An by A1 An. So after simplification, here D value how much here? D is equal to n minus 1 sending other side. A1 minus An by A1 into An into n minus 1. So on putting the value of D in equation 1. So depletion rate is total value. So right side, left side, A1 minus An get cancelled. A1 minus An get cancelled. So A1 An n minus 1 sending other side, it is multiplied. So this is the required answer is n minus 1 into A1 An. Okay, now I am going to explain next question. In the statement Sn denote the sum of first n terms of an AP, S4 value given as well as S6 minus 48, then find out S10. So S4, what is S4? What is Sn formula? N by 2 times of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 times of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, here we should use that formula. So S4, S4 value 16 given. So S4 is equal to 16. What is the formula? N by 2. N is equal to how much here? 4. 4 by 2 times of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. N value 4, n minus 1 is 3D. So 2 1j, 2 2j get cancelled, 2 1j, here 2 8j cancelled here. 2A plus 3D is equal to 8. This is equation number 1. Next, I am going to explain S6. S6 value how much given? Minus 48. So S6 for value according to this formula, n plus 6 right here. So 6 by 2 into 2A plus 5D. Okay, n minus 1 is 5. n is 6 here, n minus 1 is 5. 1, 3, 1, 3, 16 get cancelled. 2a plus 5d is equal to minus 16. By using elimination method, find out a d values. A value 22, d value minus 12. We have got a value, d values, but what is required? S10 is required. So it will going to be S10 is, what is the formula in the place of n? 10, right? And 10 by 2 times of 2a plus 90. So 2 1 2 5 they get cancelled. 5 times of 2 times of what is there here? We have got 22. 9 into what is d here? Minus 12. So answer will be minus 320. So now moving to next question. In the statement A1, A2, A3 are in AP such that A1 plus A7 plus A16 value of 40, then sum of the first 15 terms of this AP. Okay. So A1 plus A7 plus A16 is equal to 40. A1 is first term. A7, seventh term is A1 plus 6D. A16, A1 plus 15D is equal to 40, 40 given. How many A1s are there here? 3 A1s. 6D plus 15D, 21D is equal to 40. Here I take 3 common. So A1 plus 70 is equal to 40 by 3. This 3 sending other side. But what is required here? Sum of first 15 terms. So S15 required. So what is the formula? N by 2 times of 2A plus N minus 1 into D. 15 by 2 times of 2A1 plus N minus 1. 15 minus 1, 14D here. So 1, 2 get cancelled here. So 15 times of A1 plus 70. So 15 times of A1 plus 70, A1 plus 70 value, we have got it 40 by 3. Substitute here only. So 3 1 3 5 they get cancelled. What we get answer? 200. Okay, now I am going to explain next question. So in the statement, the sum and product of the first 3 terms of in AP are 33 and 1100, 155 respectively. Then the value of 11th term. So the sum of first 3 terms of in AP 33. So let us take 3 terms are in AP, A minus D, A plus D. But sum how much here? Sum is equal 33. A minus D plus A plus D is equal 33. Here DD get cancelled. So 3A is equal 33. A we get 11. Okay. So here, what is the one more condition? Product is equal to 1155 given. T1, T2, T3 is equal 1155. So T1 is here A minus D into A plus D is equal 1155. So A value here we have got 11. 11 minus D into 11 plus D. Here A plus in right 11. 11 1 to 11. 105 they get cancelled. So A minus B into A plus B we get 11 square minus D square is equal to 105. So D value we get plus or minus 4. So you will take first case D is equal plus 4, A is equal 11. In second case, we should take D is equal to minus 4, A is equal to 11. The numbers are A minus D, A plus D. Okay, here required numbers. A value 11, 11 minus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, we get 7, 11, 15. The 11th term is, what is the formula? A plus 10D. So A value 7 here, 7 plus 11 minus 1 into 4. What is the common difference here? 4 here. So answer will be 7 plus 40 is equal 47, 11th term. This is correct. So D is equal, in second case, we should take D is equal to minus 4, A is equal to 11. So now I say that, so numbers are, required numbers are A minus D, A plus D. So A value 11, 11 minus of minus 4, 11, 11, D value minus 4 here. So 15, 11, 7. But 11th term required. 11th term is equal to A plus 10D. A value here 15. 10 into D value here minus 4 common difference. So answer will be minus 25 correct, as well as 47 also correct. Okay, now I would like to explain. So 2020 question. In the statement 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha minus 1, 14, 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sine 2 alpha are first three terms of an AP, then find out sixth term. Okay, here three terms are in AP. What is the formula? 2B is equal to A plus C. Let us take 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha is A. Okay, so what is the form? A or X? So 2 times of middle term. 2 times of 14 is equal to first term plus last term. So what is the formula? Here X, Y, Z are in AP. Formula is 2y is equal to X plus Z. Okay, right? Here 2 times of middle term 2y. What is the y here? This is X, Y, Z. So 2 times of 14, 28 is equal to A plus C. So 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha minus 1. 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha by 3. So 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha, we have assumed A by 3. Here 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sine 2 alpha. So A to the power m minus n is A to the power m by A to the power n. So 3 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha, already we have assumed A. So after simplification, after taking LCM here, PA LCM. So after simplification, we get this equation A square minus 84A plus 243 is equal to 0. Here roots are 81 minus 81 minus 3 here. So A is equal to we have got 3 and 81. A is equal 3 and 81. This is factors are here A minus 3 into A minus 81 is equal 0. So roots are A is equal 3 and 81. So let us take case 1. A is equal to 3. What is A here? 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 3. If bases equal, powers are equal. So 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 1. Sine 2 alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Again, second case 81. So A is equal to 81. 3 to the power 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 3 to the power 4, right? 81 place. Here base is equal, powers are equal. So 2 sine 2 alpha is equal to 4. So here sine 2 alpha is equal to 2 sine 2 alpha 4, 1, 2 get cancelled. So sine 2 alpha is equal to 2. This is not possible. Why? Because sine function is always lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Therefore, the numbers are, so we should take sine 2 alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 2 alpha place in right 1 by 2 in statement. So 3 to the power 2 times of sine 2 alpha place in 1 by 2 minus 1. Here 14. 3 to the power 4 minus 2 times of sine 2 alpha place in right 1 by 2. So what we get here 2 get cancelled. 3 power 0 is 1, 14. Here 2 get cancelled. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Okay, 1, 14, 27 we have got it. But what is required here? Sixth term. Sixth term formula is A1 plus 5D. A1 value how much? 1. 5 into D value how much? Common difference here how much? 13. So what we get answer? 66. Thank you for watching. Remaining questions I will explain on coming classes.